How to fix my compromised Instagram account. Has your Instagram account has been hacked, logged out unexpectedly or acting suspiciously? Don't panic. I will walk you through how to recover your compromised Instagram account. So let's get started. The first step is to check your signs of your account if it is compromised. Before we fix the issue, let's check for this warning. You got an email saying your password or email was changed. You are logged out and can't log in. Your account is posting or messaging people without your permission. You see unknown devices logged into your account. Now follow these steps to recover your account. To recover your compromised account, you need to reset your password. For that, go to Instagram login page. Go to Google and type Instagram, forgot password, and here you can find the reset password option right here. Now tap on it, and from here you can simply reset your password. Next step is to securing your Instagram account. For that, go to your Instagram account, then tap onto your profile icon at the bottom. After that, tap onto three lines right here. Now tap onto the search bar and type security, and tap on to password and security right here. Now from here, add the two-factor authentication just right here. Now tap on it, and from here enable the two-factor authentication of the Instagram app. And finally, make sure your email and phone number are up to date in case you need to recover your account again. And that's it. Now your Instagram account is secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.